Here we are guys, Modena. This is Corso Canal Grande. Canal Grande, big canal. You see? Corso Canal Grande. There is a church here. I don't know oh, Canal Grande Hotel. Yeah. You know why here in Modena, in my town before? There are many canal. So this is the very big canal. That's why called is Canal Grande. Grande means big. This is a very big canal before. And then they closed the canal. Ah, that is the church. I want to go there. Oh, the church always closed. I don't know why this church is open only on Sunday. I want that one. That is the church. Oh. Canal Grande. And this is what we call this. This is Via Santissima Trinita. Uh-huh. Via Santissima Trinita because of this that church is Santissima Trinita. So let's go there. There is another church there. I don't know if it is open. So still we are in Canal Grande guys. Very noise here, always renovation. Renovation. This is Prefettura. What is English by Prefettura? This one. Wait. Prefettura. Mhm. See? Corte di Giustizia Tributaria de Primo Grado Modena, Prefettura de Modena, City Representanza. Don't know what is that in English, Prefettura, guys. Nice building here in the center town. You see the difference. That one is a magazine stand. Before, 20 years ago, there are 350 magazine stands in town. I know that because I work. Now, more than 100 remain. That one, magazine stand. I work in the agency for 25 years. You see, Vermont, there are many discount. Hey, discount. Oh, yeah, we are talking about the magazine stand. That one. 20 years ago, there are more than 300. Now, more than 100, you know. The crisis here in Italy. I don't know in other country. Crisis of this one. I go there. There is another store over there. No, store, church. Sana bukas. I go first here. Oh, there is another church here. This is Via Emilia, guys. This is a very old mango store. Oh, Via Emilia. Via Emilia, guys. Over there is another church. I hope it is open. So, Shit, shit, shit. I hope open, huh? Close. You see? Um, but I have to try because like the Church of San Francisco, I thought it was closed, but this church I think is closed. You see? Close, close. Very close. Yeah, very close. So I have to end my video here, guys. Live from Modena, Italy, Emilia Romagna. This is Modena Center Town, guys. Thank you very much. Shout out. I have to shout out Puma. Puma. One day you come here to Italy, you can. This is my hometown of your Tizia. We wait you here. You, I and Tatino. Bye bye.